That's normal.
The one that is Oshe.
But why should I dance?
Eh?
Oh, yeah.
Yoruba self-determination now. Yoruba self-determination now. Yoruba nation now, now, now. Nigeria is not a country. The amalgamation of 1914 is a fraud, is a scam. We cannot continue in this amalgamation. The amalgamation itself has expired. It expired in 2014. We cannot afford to continue to live this way. Nigeria is in shambles. Nigeria is not a country. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, we are appealing to you to please do something now. Do something now before it is too late. Our children are suffering. Our children are suffering. They went to school, they cannot get any job to do. Our forests have been overtaken by Fulanis. Kidnappings every day, killings every day. We cannot continue like this. Give us our own nation. Let everybody go his own way. Go and tell the British that brought us together in 1914. They have done us serious hurt. We are hurt, seriously. Please, we are begging you, all the agitators who are agitating peacefully, who are outside now, please you should not allow anybody to hurt them. Nobody should hurt them. No police should kill them. The military should not do anything against them because they are claiming their rights. We are on the street now. We want our nation. Yoruba nation now, 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 now. Yoruba nation now, 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 now. Yoruba nation now, 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 now. We want our own country where we can control our destiny, control our resources, give good education for our children, agriculture. Please, we are begging you. We are begging you. It is time. It is time now. It is time now. Please, we are begging you. Don't allow your race, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, don't allow your race to be destroyed. Don't allow your race to be destroyed. You belong to your Yoruba race. Don't allow your race to be destroyed.